Hello everyone, let's discuss about Kingsley Square, which is coming up in Newmarket. This condominium which is coming up in Newmarket, the name of the condominium is Kingsley Square. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's a twin tower which is connected by a 3-floor podium. Very high-end luxury finishes are also given in this project. Like most of the builders nowadays, they are giving a lot of importance for the luxury finishes. Even whether it's inside GTA or outside GTA, most of the projects which are coming up, they have got a very good finishes. We'll take you through all the details in this presentation. And this location is very great location. There are 2 acres of park just adjacent to this particular condominium, and this is just across the street of South Lake Health Center. Yeah, very strategically located in Newmarket. And basically, when it comes to the architect, it's a Cone Partnership is the architect for this particular project, which is coming up in Newmarket. Then when it comes to the transit square and driving facilities, it's just directly connected to the Toronto Go trains to travel to Union Station. So 12 minutes to bus ride to Upper Canada Mall, and walking distance walking distance to the Newmarket Go station. So you can literally walk into the Go stations in Newmarket. And there are a lot of facility for even for biking as well in Newmarket. So some of the top things, 10 things we can actually do in Newmarket. If you don't know where is Newmarket, so and what Newmarket is offering for people who are residing there. So there are a lot of parks there. So some of the parks like Fairy Lake Park, and for the shopping purpose, there's a Upper Canada Mall is also there, and it's very famous for wineries like Holland Marsh Winery is there, and a lot of trails are there, like people who love biking and bird watch or butterflies. So there are a lot of woodlands, and it's a huge trails in this Newmarket. It's a very good place if you're considering to live away from the city and with the good surroundings. And you can see there's a huge sports facility, almost Olympic sized NHL size ice rinks, and swimming pools is also there. And brewing company, the Market Brewing Company is also in Newmarket, Strawberry Farms. So there are so many extracurricular activities or extra amenities or outdoor activities. Outdoor activities can be done in Newmarket. So if you see the location and the map, you can see the Kingsley Square is coming here. This is a Go station, so it's a Davis Drive, and this is an intersection here, Huron Heights Drive and Davis Drive. So you can see here, and in Newmarket, obviously there are a lot of restaurants and schools, park and recreations. Transportation is, again, we already discussed about the Newmarket Go station. Shopping wise, all the big box stores are nearby to the condominium. Parks and recreation, healthcare like South Lake Regional Health Center and York Medical Center, everything is just nearby to this place. And it's a very pedestrian friendly city town, and the bus transport is very well connected in Newmarket. This is how actually it looks like. It's a two towers, and which is interconnected by a 3-floor podium. So the lobby, this is the rendering of the lobby. As I said, all the condominium which is coming up, they are giving a lot of importance for finishes, and the quality of finishes are very high, which all the new project which is happening now in GTA. This is the rendering of the lobby. This is the rendering of the living room and kitchen. It's one of the suite. This is one of the washroom and a fitness center like gym. This is a party room, which is a common party room which is given in the condominium. This is again one of the rooftop terrace. You can see the rooftop terrace. So such a beautiful condominium has been built in Newmarket, and the price point is very affordable. Price point is also there, and great floor plans. So if you want to book a unit in this particular project, which is already on a platinum launch now, we have an exclusive access. We don't even require a worksheet. We have an exclusive access. We can get to the unit in this project. So you can give me a call at 289-772-6202, and we can discuss and we can finalize whatever the requirement you have. Again, when it comes to the developer is called Blair Wood Development Group, and is a very established developer. And architects, like almost more than 20 years of experience and building a lot of GTA projects, specializing in range of buildings, mixed use and commercial and residential. So once again, the projects which is coming up in new market, great price, great floor plans, and we have a guaranteed access to this particular project. Give me a call at 289-772-6202. We'll be able to get you the unit. Thank you so much.